On today's menu, a delicious recipe that will freshen up your weekly menu. Vietnamese style vermicelli salad. Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung from YoungMenCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is absolutely amazing and it's so easy to put together. It's definitely one of my favorites. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Slice the carrot into matchsticks. You'll need about a third cup of carrots per portion, but of course you can always prep more and make more. Two tablespoons soy sauce. 3 tablespoons rice vinegar. Splash of toasted sesame oil. 3 tablespoons cane sugar. Splash of lime juice. Mix and let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Repeat with the cucumber. Turn off the heat and soak the noodles in the hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. 130 grams of vermicelli is good for 2 portions or 1 very hungry person. Pat dry about 175 grams of extra firm tofu, then slice into strips. Non-stick pan, medium heat, a dash of olive oil. Sear the tofu for about 45 seconds to a minute on each side. Season the tofu with pepper and salt. When the noodles are al dente, add some ice to stop it from cooking further. I mean, does that not look incredible, or what? Plate. Vermicelli. Carrot, cucumber, about a quarter cup of chopped red leaf lettuce, roll together some fresh cilantro and mint and chop. Tofu. Optional, freshly chopped chili peppers. Small bunch bean sprouts. Couple tablespoons crushed roasted peanuts.
And finally, drizzle over some of that amazing
pickling juice that basically turns into an amazing dressing. You can now make this delightful noodle salad with absolute confidence. This is just so easy to put together. Literally nothing was really cooked. Everything is just assembled. Definitely my type of meal. Look at that amazing, amazing salad. The flavors are just phenomenal. It really is a bowl of perfect harmony. It's sweet, it's salty, it's tangy, and you have that amazing seared tofu, and just has everything that you want. I mean, you have noodles, have veggies, it's crunchy, it's really fresh, just really packed with flavor, and you have that amazing crunchy texture from the crushed roasted peanuts. That is really, really delicious. Absolutely amazing. Now, if you love noodle recipes like I do, then you'll definitely want to check out or get your copy of the Vegan Ramen Cookbook. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can find out more information. Plus, in that same link, you can watch the entire first class of the exclusive new plant-based sushi making masterclass. And that is a series of 5 classes where you can learn how to make incredibly delicious, stunning sushi right at home. Of course, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.